Shillong Press Club ringkat ke DIPR ha kan riu tere gunai wing aja arpoi kelaraki ke National Press Day Shillong Club ha ke menteri ketenat pathai khubor James K Sangma ulalong kongsan baru batitas khan CEM ke KHDC ulalong kongsan benrab ha ke negasi lai don langrui kongmat siudor war nongbri secretary IPR ibalong kongsan kerpang Umentri ha bakran ha ke negasi lang ulong baki brio ha baki kren ke jingshisha kimdei ban pan map bar ha baki thoi ke jingshisha ru kimdei ban pan map
I've always believed that truth should be unapologetic. And really, if one speaks the truth, you need not apologize. So I think that is the basic tenet and the foundation of journalism, of being in any part of media, that is print or electronic. And we should not apologize for speaking the truth. And that is what I feel that today
Ujim sulapan paru ke jings ngau khia halor ke pension jeng tho khobor ke jerap iginong tho khobor ha baki pang ke shitam berkum juru ke yeng lani ke jakat rekam bathamai jong ke Shillong Press Club ubati tos khan lapan pau ke jings ngau ikilat pathai khobor nagabanda ke jing shakri jong ki ha ke por beling shop ke khlam COVID-19 ulong ru ba ke kam pathai khobor ke de ke jing pen sapriang jing tip ke ba de ke jing pen khobor ki paj ba
Our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister on the 27th of May had mentioned about the role of the press fraternity community in terms of the role they played out during COVID time. And he very rightly said so that the press community have been selflessly working during the COVID time and they should be recognized as frontline workers. He made that announcement, yet we have not been able to officially notify that. And I just wanted to say this to David that yes, we will formally recognize the press community as frontline workers because you guys have been working so selflessly. All of you have sacrificed so much during the COVID time. Without that kind of support, I'm very sure that all of us would have been worse off than we are right now. And really, a very big thank you goes to the press community for all the sacrifices they made, which goes to show that they were frontline workers who did not get that recognition. And I seek to rectify that. So yes, we will be coming up with that. And our secretary and our director of IPR had mentioned about the advertisement policy. I'm very happy that the government, and under the leadership of such a dynamic officer like Kong Matsidor, that we have been able to take this advertisement policy to a great extent, and it's complete, and now it's just a question of rolling it out. So this is a lot of work put in by Kong Matsidor and all the officers at the Directorate, and really a big thank you to all of them. I think that National Press Day would be incomplete without thanking the officers also at the DIPR for all the hard work that they've been putting in.